We, as the rapid response team, which is a unit within IOM, we respond to very acute emergencies across South Sudan and Abyei. And these emergencies are caused by external shocks, caused by natural disasters and man-made disasters. So under natural disasters, we take care of things like massive flooding, outbreak of diseases such as cholera, such as measles. So whatever we do is coordinated by the implementing partners across South Sudan. So what we have been doing is to engage both the international and national NGOs to carry out the interventions across South Sudan. So in this particular program and this particular trip we've made to Eastern Equatoria Magwi County, this is one of the emergency interventions which is carried out by the Rapid Response Fund for International Organization for Migration, or the UN Migration. So we have partnered with the Health Link of South Sudan.
This project came to bridge the gap that we realized during the insurgents that happened in Magwi, and it's going to take a very short time. Before the project implementation started, we noted gaps in terms of medical supplies. We noted gaps in terms of personnel to support the increased needs that were realized in Magwi. We also noted gaps in terms of the resources that are required to comprehensively support the healthcare and nutrition services in this corridor. So with the RRF project in place, I think we are seeing some upsurge in terms of cases of malaria, and we are also seeing upsurge in terms of cases of acute watery diarrhea. And so the support, I think, is significantly addresses the morbidity in terms of having those that have been identified to receive the basic essential treatments corresponding to the cases.
And as you can see, the massive people present in this particular mobile clinic site, these are women and children, the vulnerable women and children, both the host community and the IDPs. And these people have come here to get the support which is provided by the Rapid Response Fund.
Looking at the support of this project from the government side, I think we are supporting these projects in guiding how the activities is done. We are also involved in the recruitment process, how to select the technical human resource to run these activities. And also, as a government, we also support this program in terms of security.
The services we are offering here, we are getting malnourished children, and we are also giving the service to lactating mothers, and also we are giving the service to the pregnant women, and also people who are suffering with HIV or stroke TB.
Ma komere en wan wati be chi man jo en gi bera kabino kan nena rian ne wa wan wati no yat
wachiro pajok orian ma gilung pajok bo kanyen si bin anong yar cheng baraja bera monya na dogar anya ka parma tide ni bene tuo man bene tuo awan orian dong tisho man bero.
What I've benefited and what I've seen people have benefited from this team which came, they are helping somewhere necessary. At least they are giving some help like injections and other tablets which people are getting.
So this project is significant in the way that we expect reduction in terms of morbidity with the common conditions that we are seeing here, and also reduction in terms of the mortality that are attributed to the common ailments, for example, malaria, acute watery diarrhea.
IOM is being funded by the US government and Humanitarian Bureau of Assistance, a unit under USAID, gives us this money so that once they've gotten the fundings, we engage the implementing partners. We are really happy because whatever we have seen on the records and the people and the host community we've engaged, I think we've found that were it not for this service at this particular time offered by Rapid Response Fund from IOM, then we could have not supported the community enough. So I hope and believe that we as a Rapid Response Fund, we are ready and eager to go everywhere, to go anywhere across this country, including Abyei, to give the very necessary support to the vulnerable community affected by the natural and by the man-made disasters.